East Fremont Street, across Las Vegas Boulevard from the Fremont Street Experience, is one of our favorite areas. Years ago, you didn't even cross over to this side of Fremont Street, but now it's definitely a must-see. There are so many restaurants with great food, great drinks, and great prices. I remember just a few years ago when these trees were just planted. You know what? It really adds to the community vibe. The El Cortez is one of the oldest casinos, celebrating 80 years. Some of our favorite restaurants here are Smashed Pig, Evil Pie, and Therapy, all of which were featured in our television show, Ninth Island Connection. Be sure to check out the restaurant website for the most up-to-date hours. The Container Park is also located on East Fremont Street. It's just around the corner from Atomic Liquor, which is the oldest bar in Las Vegas. Folks once gathered there to watch atomic bombs being tested in the desert. Ferguson's downtown is just a couple of blocks down the road, but I would definitely recommend exploring in the daytime. Next time you're in downtown Las Vegas, be sure to add the East Fremont Street to your list.